Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to be making some really easy dark chocolate trail mix medallions. I've got a little bit of trail mix and I also have a little bit of tempered dark chocolate. The chocolate that I am using is Calbo, and this here is recipe number 811. I really love this chocolate. And to temper my dark chocolate today, I used my Choco-vision Rev 2B. This is a chocolate tempering machine. I have an unboxing showing how to use it, all the stuff that comes with it. If you're interested in that, I'll put a link in the description box below this video. I'm just going to open up my piping bag a little bit, right about like that. Remove the little piece of plastic, and we are ready to go. So you're simply just going to make little medallions or little coins. Just nice, easy pressure. Make them as large or as small as you want. You can see how nice this is with a very inexpensive piping bag. Nice little push. Look at that. Oh, chocolate magic. Nice little squeeze. And that's good. And then just start applying all of your little trail mix. Very simple, but really nice. And if you buy these in one of the high-end chocolate shops, you're going to pay a pretty penny for these. Aren't those cute? A little almond. Well, this is tempered chocolate. It's going to set up. It'll start setting up in about 4 to 5 minutes. So you don't want to wait too long. Now if you're not using tempered chocolate, then you can take as long as you want. And what you'll do is then you're going to slide your whole little silicone tray right into the fridge just to chill the chocolate, and then they'll just peel right off without any problem at all. A raisin. Love raisins. Raisins and chocolate, they go so well together. So I think that looks pretty good. So at this point, I'm just going to let the chocolate completely set up. So here we are again. This is about 3 hours later, and all of my chocolate has nicely set up. And then we're just going to take it and just peel them off. Look at that. Got a nice shine on the bottom because of that silicone. Let's just get all of these here. So you can see here, you don't always need to have a fancy mold to make something really nice. Let's just take one of these and give it a little snap. Look at that. Really nice dark chocolate with that trail mix. If you're a dark chocolate lover and you like cashews and M&Ms and almonds, nice raisins, this is a really easy one to try out. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. If you wish to subscribe to my channel, there's a new notification bell. If you click that, you'll be notified each time I upload a brand new video. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you next time. I am going in for another little bite. That is good.